Hey, happy Saturday, everybody. Well, at least it's Saturday when I've started this video. Me and the guys went up to Gridley today and stopped in at the Packrat Hobbies. And I picked me up an SD40-2. It was, or currently it is, a Union Pacific model, but it's going into the magic soup mixture we have of the isopropyl alcohol, and it's going to become SP7323. Since I don't have any SD40-2s, so that's it. And this is the frame and motor assembly, and I need to lube it, clean it up, and add my chips for it. I've got the Digitrax DH166D for this one. I also purchased Santa Fe FP45, which will be painted up in SPFF Kodachrome paint scheme, and that is the frame and workings for that. That will also get cleaned up, lubed, and repainted. It also is going into the soup to get the old paint, Santa Fe paint, taken off of it, and then I will repaint it in the SPSF paint scheme. It will become a Santa Fe locomotive. So that's pretty much what I did today. Besides that, I've got some video for you guys to watch, so enjoy the videos, and I'll catch you all on the flip side.
Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here